Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see how we can work with a waterfall chart in Power BI. Now this type of chart is perfect for showing how an initial value is affected by a series of positive and negative changes. I have my data here, which is a cost breakdown, starting with the revenue and the cost and the sales, operational cost, marketing spend. Now this is the data that we will be using to create a waterfall chart, and in the end I will also share some use cases that you can apply this waterfall chart to. So first, in the visualization pane, I will go here and I will select waterfall chart. Here you see there you have these fields that needs to be populated. So we have category, which can be the category. We have the breakdown. You can have the breakdown of the category also. We do not have that in our data, but you can add that. This is not a mandatory field. The y-axis, where we will put our amount, and we have the tooltips where we can put our details. So first, in the category, I will put category breakdown. In the y-axis, I will put the amount. Let me remove this. And in the tooltips, let's bring the details. So I will remove this. Now let me expand this. I'll bring this further down. And you see how it is appearing. You see the starting revenue and the revenue that came in the form of sales of the product A and uh, product B, and then you have the cost. Now this is, you can come here and this is minus 5,000 refund issued during the period, and then you can see that you have here the marketing spend, you have the operational cost, and then you will see the total that is remaining. Now let's go and see further how we can further format it. So we will come here in format your visual, and let's see what options do we have. So in the x-axis, we can modify the values. If you want to keep the values, yes, of course. Or you want to format them, we will just highlight them a bit. Maximum height, you can change the height if you want. I will just make it. And the title, let's remove the title here. The layout, if you want to, I will keep it as it is. In the y-axis, we have the similar things, so we can define the range also. The values, yes, we will remove the title. The legends that we have here, increase, decrease, and total, you can define where you want to have them. You can have top center. You want the title. If you want to add any title, we can add it, but just let's remove, keep it as it is. Then in the grid lines, how you want the grid lines, if you want keep them or no, let's keep them, and how you want to have them, dotted, solid, dashed. And we'll see in the columns again how you want to show the increase, the decrease, any other values, and how you want the total to be. So if you want to have the total volume or no, that's up to you. We will keep it. Now in the data labels, if I keep them on, you can see, which is a good thing. So we can just highlight the values here also. You can also add a background to them to highlight them, and how you want the orientation to be. You can have them vertical, and we can be just horizontal. So this is how you can further change or format your visual. In the general, it's how you format any visual in Power BI. In the properties, you can select the size, positioning, and the other options. Title, let's just remove them, but if you want to keep the title, you can add the title, and you can add all these details, the alignment, background color, subtitle, and divider. So I'll just remove this. We can add any effect. If you want to have a background, we can add, let's say, a gray background doesn't look nice. I'll just remove the background, but you can have a visual border. You can also further see how you want it to be. The width, you can increase the width. You can add a shadow. Similarly, in the data format, you can change the data format if you want to have. In the amount, you can format it how you want it, general, whole number, and all these. We'll just see, and so on and so forth. So this is how you work with a waterfall chart. Now, how could you can use it? For example, if you have any financial performance analysis like track income, expense, and other adjustment, just like we have done it in here. and it is great for quarterly and yearly review. If you are in HR, you can do it for headcount changes, hires, resignation, transfers, etc. You can also do it for website traffic flow. Begin with the total number of visitors, and then break it down by how many left, how many came in, how many were converted and bounced. So this is how you can do it. You can also do it for inventory movement, budget versus actual comparison, and so on and so forth. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.